Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to hang sheer curtains. Sheer curtains are a fantastic way to add style and elegance to any room. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of hanging sheer curtains, from start to finish. So, let's get started. Planning and preparation. Before you begin hanging sheer curtains, it's essential to plan and prepare. Start by measuring your windows to determine the appropriate length and width of the curtains you'll need. Consider the style and design of the curtains that will complement your room's aesthetic. Gathering the tools. To hang sheer curtains, you'll need a few tools and supplies. Make sure you have a curtain rod, brackets, screws, a level, a measuring tape, a pencil, and a drill. These are the basic tools that will help you achieve a secure and professional installation. Additionally, gather any decorative elements or accessories you want to include, such as tiebacks or finials. Installing the curtain rod. Now it's time to install the curtain rod. Start by marking the desired height for your curtains with a pencil. Use a level to ensure accuracy. Next, install the brackets on each side of the window frame. Make sure the brackets are level and secure. Once the brackets are in place, insert the curtain rod and adjust it to the correct length. Hanging sheer curtains. With the curtain rod in place, it's time to hang the sheer curtains. If you want to achieve a more gathered or layered look, consider using curtain rings or clips. Take your time to arrange the fabric evenly and achieve a balanced appearance. Finishing touches. To add the finishing touches to your sheer curtains, consider incorporating tiebacks, finials, or other decorative accessories. Remember, it's all about personalizing your window treatment and creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to hang sheer curtains. By following these steps, you can achieve a professional-looking curtain installation that adds a touch of elegance to your home.